In the vast cosmos, amid glittering constellations and swirling nebulae, there was once a monarchy that united the stars themselves, the stellar sovereignty. Governed by the radiant King Solomaren, known far and wide for his unparalleled wisdom, the kingdom radiated an unparalleled golden age of peace and prosperity. Yet, my voyagers, even the strongest bonds can falter under the strains of greed and ambition. This is the story of the division of the cosmic kingdoms. After completing the construction of the starlit temple, a masterpiece of luminescent materials that shone like galaxies in unison, Solomaren's reign seemed unshakable. Yet his later years saw a fading unity. Solomaren had been warned by the Mystic Council, an envoy of celestial wisdom, about the dangers of embracing the ways of foreign star empires that encouraged idolatry and warring ambitions. Yet, overcome by pride and the whispers of serpentine advisors, our once wise king drifted from the cosmic laws, indulging in monumental excesses. Upon the king's starlit throne ascended his son, Relaba, an ambitious but impetuous prince who lacked his father's famed insight. The realm, already simmering with discontent due to Solomaren's wayward years, began to fracture under Relaba's rigid governance. The Galactic Federation, representing far-flung star systems within their sprawling empire, sent delegations to the new monarch begging for relief from cosmic tributes and taxation, the heavy price of unity under the crown. But instead of heeding their cries, Relaba, swayed by youthful pride and reckless advisors, chose dominance over diplomacy. "If my father disciplined you with gravity," he declared, "I shall discipline you with supernovas." Such harsh words echoed across the universe and set the stage for rebellion. In the northern star clusters, a formidable adversary arose, Jeroboam, a charismatic leader who claimed divine sanction to lead the dissenters. Jeroboam wasn't just a usurper. He called upon the ancient testimonies, resonating deeply with the oppressed clusters. "Why stand with Relaba, who wields the iron hand of tyranny, when the cosmos beckons us towards freedom under the guidance of celestial providence?" he rallied. His speeches became stars illuminating the path for those who desired liberation. The split was inevitable. 12 star systems formed the foundation of this shining kingdom, yet with Jeroboam's schism, 10 interstellar colonies broke away, proclaiming allegiance to his northern sovereignty, now known as the Galactic Commonwealth. Relaba was left to govern only 2 key systems in the south, claiming the name Stellar Dominion, but weakened now and seething in turmoil. The once singular monarchy stood divided, and the pristine unity of the kingdom was shattered into shards of celestial debris. Guided by an ancient artifact known as the Orb of Prophecy, Jeroboam constructed temples that imitated the cosmic temple of old. However, these were fraught with idolatrous effigies and defied the sanctity of the ethereal laws established by Solomaren's revered forebears. There, the people resorted to spiritual forgeries, forgetting the true harmony prescribed by the creator of the universe. Cosmic whispers flowed through the galaxies, and even those aligned to the Galactic Commonwealth began to question this tainted version of progress. Meanwhile, in the Stellar Dominion, Relaba wrestled with doubts and grief over the ruptured state of his realm. Advisors scrambled to maintain order in their diminished influence, but cracks emerged in their political and spiritual foundations. The once grand dominion was no longer stable, its inner spirit struggling to remain aligned to the teachings of divine constellations. Cosmic travelers might ponder, what brought such division upon a once unified kingdom? The answers lie in the pride of leaders, the whispers of serpent-like deceit, and an abandonment of the bonds that once tethered the hearts of starry citizens to the Creator's divine order. Many cycles later, the divided systems would face invasions, internal strifes, and the haunting echoes of what could have been had harmony prevailed. The Galactic Commonwealth and Stellar Dominion, both descendants of the unified kingdom, continued to walk their separate paths, each yearning for the brilliance once bestowed by Solomaren's initial vision. But here is where the heart of the lesson rings. When pride takes root and guidance from the Creator is forsaken, Unity dissolves like vapor in the cosmic winds. And so, voyagers of time and space carry this story as a solemn reminder. In a cosmos teeming with voices, listen always to the unwavering harmony of the Creator. Let not the divisions of the past repeat themselves in futures yet unwritten. This has been your cosmic teacher, Seraphina, guiding you through the stars, the stories, and the truths eternal. Until next time, my voyagers, may your path always align with the Creator's shining light.